You're about to discover why Fit Body Bootcamp is the fastest and easiest way to get back into shape and melt fat off your entire body. Hi, I'm Coach Bedros with Fit Body Bootcamp, and in this short but very informative video, I'm going to share with you the #1 secret to permanent weight loss and the fastest way to get back into shape even if you're busy and don't have much time to dedicate to a workout routine. Let's face it, if you're like most of my clients, then you've probably tried at least half a dozen different diets, workout gadgets, and even gym memberships only to be disappointed with the results you've gotten, right? It's not your fault, because even though all those things promised to help you burn fat and get fit, they were all missing one important thing to help you achieve and maintain your fitness and fat loss goals. But all of that is going to be a thing of the past, because now that you're a Fit Body Bootcamp client, we're going to work together to get you to your fitness and weight loss goals quickly and safely, just like Andra, Sean, Darren, Jory, Diane, and Sylvia. Well, you get the picture. And I'll even show you how you can maintain your new body for the long haul, so you never have to worry about gaining the weight back and losing your results. You see, the #1 question we're asked by new clients such as yourself is what makes Fit Body Bootcamp so different than any other workout program or gym? The answer is surprisingly simple. Fit Body Bootcamp is the only workout program that delivers afterburn workouts. These are total body fat burning training programs where every workout is different than the last one, and a personal trainer is always included to help keep you motivated, accountable, and on track for your goals. Now, I know what you're thinking. Working with a personal trainer is expensive, right? Not anymore. And in just a moment, I'll show you how we're able to lower the cost of working with a professional fitness trainer so that practically anyone can afford it. But for now, let's talk about getting you to your fitness and fat loss goals. Because after all, that's what you came to Fit Body Bootcamp for, right? You're probably wondering what afterburn workouts are and how they're able to deliver double the results in half the time it takes to do a regular workout at the local big box gym. You see, through constant research and testing, we've discovered a faster way to burn fat and get you fit. We call it the afterburn workout. Here's how it works. We've combined the science of fat loss and the perfect combination of exercises, workout intensity, and tempo to help you burn maximum fat and calories during our workout session. But in addition to burning more fat and calories than any other program, our afterburn workouts also tone and strengthen your muscles as it flattens your stomach, sculpts your buns and legs, and reshapes your shoulders and arms. But the big secret that helps our clients transform their bodies so quickly comes from the afterburn effect itself. Let me explain what the afterburn is and why you can only get it here at Fit Body Bootcamp. As I said, Fit Body Bootcamp workouts burn twice the fat and calories compared to any other workout out there. We do this through a system called metabolic stacking, which combines high-intensity interval training with functional resistance training, giving you the best of fat-burning cardio workouts and muscle-toning resistance training at the same time. But the fat burning doesn't just stop when you leave Fit Body Bootcamp. You'll see, our workouts are expertly designed to put your body into afterburn, which is a state of elevated metabolism that lasts long after you complete your workout. So not only will you elevate your metabolism during your actual workout, you'll also maintain a higher metabolism even after your workout for as much as 28 hours. This is scientifically based training. And that's the secret that makes Fit Body Bootcamp workouts so unique and special and so ultra effective at burning a lot of fat. You won't find the afterburn workout at your local big box gym because you can't get into afterburn by doing traditional gym style workouts. You see, there's a science to getting your body into afterburn, and our Fit Body Bootcamp coaches are trained in stacking the right workouts and in keeping the intensity just right so that you can get the most out of every workout and get your metabolism into afterburn mode. And that's why gym workouts just don't deliver results. In fact, the only thing you get with a gym membership is access to equipment. That's all. You won't get motivation, you won't get accountability, and you won't get support like you'll get here at Fit Body Bootcamp. You also won't get a money-back guarantee from your local gym. And if you're like most people, you'll find that the typical gym workouts such as the weight machines, aerobics classes, treadmills, and elliptical machines are a complete waste of time. Sure, your workouts at Fit Body Bootcamp will be more challenging, and we'll be sure to keep the intensity high to help you get the most fat loss and calorie burning from every workout. But we'll also keep the workouts fun, and we'll even adjust them to your individual fitness level so you don't have to worry about not being able to keep up with everyone else. Plain and simple, the afterburn workouts will get you to your fat loss goals faster than dieting or long, boring gym workouts. In fact, we're so sure that you'll love our afterburn workouts and the results that you'll achieve that we guarantee the whole thing by putting our money where our mouth is. It's as simple as this. If you don't feel that Fit Body Bootcamp is the best fat-burning workout on the planet, then just let us know anytime during your first 30 days with us and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. The second question I get asked most often is, if I'm self-motivated, can I lose weight in the gym by doing classes and cardio? For most people, the answer to that question is no. In fact, a 3-month study recorded in the International Sports Nutrition Journal found that the addition of 5 days a week of aerobic activity for 45 minutes each time at 78% of max heart rate had no effect on weight loss over dieting alone for the same 3-month period. In other words, 3 months of 5 days a week of aerobic and cardio exercises did not increase weight loss results versus dieting alone. Now I know what you're thinking, 3 months isn't enough time. That's what I thought too when I first read that study, so I kept digging further and looked for more studies. Then I discovered the following study, which was documented in the McTiernan Obesity Journal. In a 12-month study where participants performed 1 hour a day of aerobic activity 5 days a week, the average participant lost only 3.5 pounds total. 3.5 pounds of weight loss after an entire year of aerobics? That's a complete waste of time, don't you think? Imagine going to the gym for 5 days a week and spending 60 minutes on the treadmill, the elliptical machine, or in an aerobics class only to lose a measly 3.5 pounds in an entire year. It's a fact. As a fat loss modality, aerobic activities like classes at a big box gym or the treadmill, bike, or elliptical machine just don't work. Study after study proves this fact. It's no wonder why so many people give up trying. And that's why big box gyms have an 89% drop-off rate of new members within the first 90 days. Look, you don't have time to be just another gym statistic. You're busy, you have a life, a family, a career, and you're always on the go. And you want results that you can see and feel each and every week. You want workouts that are designed to help you burn maximum fat while toning your entire body and boosting your metabolism all day long. And that's exactly what we deliver here at Fit Body Bootcamp. We are so committed to helping you reach your fitness goals. We're even going to give you the easy-to-follow, unstoppable fat loss formula meal plans that make eating for fat loss easier than ever. And because Fit Body Bootcamp afterburn workouts are so effective, you can work out as little as 3 days a week and still see fantastic results. Best of all, our workouts are only 50 minutes long, and we even offer several convenient workout times throughout the day. Now, let's talk about price, because I know that you're very much aware that a personal training program like this can get pretty expensive. And that's true. Personal training is expensive. If you were to hire a fitness trainer for one-on-one personal training sessions, you'd pay between $740 and $1,100 a month to work out 3 days a week. Sure, working out with a one-on-one personal trainer is a great way to get results, but it's not cheap, that's for sure. But we found a way to bring the cost of working with a professional personal trainer down to only about $5 or $6 a day. About what you'd pay for that fancy grande coffee drink each morning. You heard right. You get personal training for a fraction of the cost of what it should really cost. Here's how we're able to keep our prices so low. See, at Fit Body Bootcamp, we train our client in a fun, high-energy group environment. This allows us to dramatically cut the cost of working with a personal trainer, and we pass the savings on to you, so you'll still get the motivation, accountability, and support in addition to our exclusive afterburn workout programs, monthly fitness evaluations, and monthly fat-burning meal plans that deliver faster fat loss and body toning results. Best of all, every Fit Body Bootcamp workout is led by one of our experienced, knowledgeable, and professional certified personal trainers. So you can rest assured that no matter your exercise experience or fitness level, your trainer will show you how to modify every workout to fit your needs. And here's something else that you'll really enjoy knowing. Our clients tend to get even better and faster results than just working with an expensive one-on-one personal trainer. Here's why. Recently, the Journal of Clinical Physiology concluded that weight loss and maintenance was higher in a group setting, such as a bootcamp training program, versus working out on your own because of the social support and accountability of a group training program. So as you can see, Fit Body Bootcamp does one thing, and we do it better than anyone else, and that's to help you lose weight, drop inches, get fit, and boost your metabolism in as little as 3 workouts per week, guaranteed. Now, here's what you need to do next to start losing weight, getting fit, and looking and feeling better than ever. Talk to your Fit Body Bootcamp coach today and let them know that you'd like to learn about the best training programs that fit your budget and schedule, and get ready to transform your body and discover a brand new you in only a few short months from now.